Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a very easy and delicious shrimp scampi spaghetti. I hope you like it. It is a great and simple idea for any day of the week or a special occasion, so hopefully you'll like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. I like to cook my pasta in boiling water, and I season the water with 2 bay leaves, 1 garlic clove, a chunk of onion, and plenty of salt. Just cook the pasta until al dente. My pasta will take about 8 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, now we're going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. Here I have the onion, and I only cut a chunk of the onion to cook the pasta. Now I'm going to finely chop the rest of the onion. Just chop it into small cubes and just set it aside for a minute. Now we're going to shred the garlic cloves. And most of the ingredients in this recipe are to taste, so if you don't like garlic that much, feel free to use less garlic if you want to. This is supposed to be a very garlicky pasta, so the more garlic it has, the better. But like I said, the flavor is to taste. Feel free to add more or less according to what you want. Once you have all the garlic shredded, also set it aside for a minute. Now we're going to mince the parsley. I'm using about half a cup of minced parsley, but feel free to use less or more if you want to. Now we're going to prepare the shrimp. My shrimp is already cleaned, is peeled and deveined, so it's ready to use it. So I'm going to season the shrimp with a teaspoon of shredded garlic and a bit of minced parsley. Then season it with black pepper to taste and salt to taste. Give it a stir, and then also add a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Stir to combine, and then just set it aside for a minute. Over here I have the pasta. It's already al dente. Now we're going to reserve 1 cup of this water, the water that we used to cook the pasta. Then remove the pasta from the heat. We're going to drain the pasta. We will also remove the garlic from the pasta and the bay leaves, and also remove the onion. Then add a splash of extra virgin olive oil over the pasta to prevent it from sticking together, and then just set it aside for a minute. Now in a large skillet on low heat, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we will also add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter. We're going to heat up this on low heat until the butter is melted. Once the butter is melted, now we're going to add in the onion, and we're going to cook the onion on low heat for 3 minutes. And we're just going to stir it once or twice while it's cooking. Don't stir it too much, just let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is how the onion is looking. It's softer and it's releasing all its flavor. Now we're going to add in the shredded garlic. And we're going to cook the shredded garlic for 3 minutes as well. And again, you don't have to stir this constantly, just once or twice while it's cooking. And remember, we're cooking this on very low heat. The low heat will allow the onion and garlic to release all their flavor without burning. After 3 minutes, now season this with salt and black pepper to taste. And now we're going to set the onion and garlic to the sides of the skillet, just to leave an empty space in the middle of the skillet. And then right there in the center of the skillet, we're going to add in the shrimp. Season the shrimp with the zest of 1 lime, and also add in the juice of 1 lime. And we're going to cook this on low heat for 2 minutes. You don't have to stir it, just let the shrimp cook on the first side for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now we're going to flip the shrimp to the other side, and we will continue to cook it for 1 more minute. After a minute, now we're going to add in the pasta, stir everything together to incorporate the pasta with the rest of the ingredients. And then after that, we're going to add in half a cup or up to a cup of the pasta water, the water that we reserved from cooking the pasta. Now season this with the fresh parsley. Also add in a dash of extra virgin olive oil. Add salt and black pepper to taste, and then also add in the rest of the crushed red pepper. Give it a stir. Taste the flavor, add more seasoning if you want to. You can also add more lime juice if you think it's necessary. And that's about it. Just continue to cook this on low heat for 1 more minute or until the pasta is heated through. And that's about it. The pasta is ready. It smells delicious and it tastes even better. I really hope you can give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.